Today we'll be starting, now that we are done with letters, we'll be starting with the concept of words in Sanskrit. Okay, so there are 5 types of words. Okay, Nama, which means nouns, Sarvanama, which means pronouns, Visheshanam, adjective, Kriya Padam, verb, and Avyayam, indeclinable. So basically there are 5 broad types of words. That is Nama, noun, Sarvanama, pronoun, Visheshanam, adjective, Kriya Padam, verb, Avyayam, indeclinable. Out of these 5, we'll be seeing the first concept, that is the noun, Nama. Okay. Now, the words in Sanskrit language, the nouns, depending on the letter in which they end, they are classified into 2 types, Swarantam and Vyanjanantam. Okay. Nouns that end in vowels are come under Swarantam, and nouns that end in consonants come in Vyanjanantam. Okay. Now, Swarantam includes Akaranta, Akaranta means those ending in A, those ending in A, etc. Whereas Vyanjanantam will have examples of words ending in Ta, Sa, etc. So Takarantam, Sakarantam, etc. Is it clear up till now? So the nouns are classified into different types, okay, based on the letter in which they end. So if it is ending in a vowel, it will be called Swarantam, and if it ends in a consonant, it will be called Vyanjanantam. Okay. Swarantam has examples of words ending in a, I, U, R, etc. In Vyanjanantam, you have examples of words ending in ta, sa, the, etc. Okay. Out of these, we'll be seeing the Swarantam category, words ending in vowels, and that too specifically Akarantam. Okay. Before we move into the concept, the words themselves, there is one concept that you have to understand. Okay. In English, we have the help of a lot of prepositions, okay, when we want to convey a sense. For example, I bring flowers for the deity, okay, or the bird flew from the tree. Okay, so we use prepositions like for, from, in, on, at, upon, to, etc. when we want to convey a particular sense. This sense of the preposition is included in the word itself in Sanskrit language. We had a brief mention of this feature in the first class. Today we will be elaborating on that. Okay. So every word has the sense attached to itself with the help of a pratyaya. Pratyaya means suffix. Okay. And these senses or these functions, okay, are 8 in number. Okay. So every word can be used in 8 different senses. Okay. And what are these senses and how are they used? Okay, is what we are going to see today. These senses, okay, are called as vibhakti. Okay, each of the sense is called as vibhakti or case. Okay. Now there are 8 cases I told you. The first one is called prathama. Okay. In English, the term for prathama case or prathama vibhakti is nominative case. Okay, what is the function of using a particular word in the prathama vibhakti? The function is that of karta or subject. So whenever a noun or a pronoun, okay, is used in the sense of a subject or a karta, okay, the doer of the action in the sentence, then the form that you're supposed to use is your prathama vibhakti. Okay, let's see an example. Devaha asman rakshati. Okay, this is your sentence. Devaha asman rakshati. Devaha, God, asman, to us, rakshati, protects. So God protects us. Okay, now the action of protection is done by God. So Deva or God is in the position of a doer or subject in this particular sentence. So Devaha, the form Devaha, okay, is the prathama vibhakti of the word Deva. Okay. Similarly, the second case, Dvitiya vibhakti. It is called accusative case in English. Okay. And the function of Dvitiya vibhakti is karma or object. So whenever you have to use a particular word to mean the object of the sentence or the thing on which the action is being effected or performed, okay, then you use the Dvitiya vibhakti of that particular word. For example, aham devam namami. Aham, I, devam, to God, namami, I salute. Okay, so now here Deva, the word God, is in the position of an object. Means the word on which or for which the action is being performed or effected. So that word, Devam, okay, is used in the Dvitiya vibhakti or the second case. So the same word, Deva, when used as Devaha, will mean the subject of the sentence, and when used as Devam will mean object of the sentence. Is the concept getting clear? Okay. The third case, Tritiya vibhakti, is called as the instrumental case. Okay. And the function of this case is karanam or instrument. Okay. So as the name itself suggests, instrument or instrumental, this particular case is used when the word forms the instrument of the action. Okay. For example, Rakshasaha devena taditaha. Rakshasaha devena taditaha. Rakshasaha, Rama, demons. Devena, by gods. Taditaha, are beaten or punished. So the demons are punished by God. Okay. So God becomes the instrument of punishing the demons. So the word used here, Devena, is your Tritiya vibhakti or instrumental case. So here, while translating this sentence, Rakshasaha devena taditaha, demons are beaten by God. Okay, the preposition that you use in English to convey the sense of devena is either by, with, or through. Okay, so this column of prepositions, okay, signifies the word that you use in English to translate the original word from Sanskrit. So devaha, when it means the subject, there is no use of any preposition in English or translation. Okay, because it is the subject. God protects us. So there is no need of any preposition. Aham devam namami. So when deva is used as object, either there is no preposition or the preposition is to. I bow down to the Lord is one way of saying it, or I salute God is another way of saying it. So when you are trying to translate devam into English, the preposition that you use is either nothing, nil, or to. Similarly, in the instrumental case, that is tritiya vibhakti, the prepositions that you may use to translate the word devena is with, by, or through. Okay, so as you see the table, there is the name of the case, there is a particular function suggested by the case, okay, based on which the original word will be used, and there are prepositions given which can be used to translate that word into English.